How to connect monday.com to n8n. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can connect monday.com to n8n. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your browser over here, and then you have to just open your n8n account and monday.com account. Just log in into your accounts, and if you don't have one, just sign up and then log in into your accounts. Now when you have both these accounts open, you simply have to come to this monday.com and you will just land on a page like this. This is your home page, and here you have to click your profile icon over here, and then you have to choose this option administration in the drop down menu. Now once you're over here, you have to click this connections option, and it's going to give you this drop down menu, and here you have to click this personal API token. And now if you don't have one, just click generate, and right now I have regenerate option because I have already generated a token. So I'm going to regenerate a token over here and then click copy. Now keep this token safe with you once you copy it, and head over to your n8n account. And here you have to click this personal option on the sidebar on the left side, and then you have to click start from scratch. Now it's going to load this page for you, and you have to wait for it, and then click add first step. Now you have to search for monday.com in this search bar and click this monday.com option. Just click this arrow, and then you have to choose any actions or triggers that you like. I'm going to click create a board, and now it's going to pop up with this window. On this window you have to just click this option over here and select a credential and click create new credential. Now it's going to give you this box for a token, and you have to click on this box and paste your token over here, and then hit save over here on the top right corner. Now it's going to test it, and once it's tested, the connection is tested successfully. And once the connection is tested successfully, it means you have now connected your monday.com to n8n. Just click this cross over here. And now here you can see over here in the credential to connect with, you have this monday.com over here on your n8n account, and that means you have now connected your monday.com to n8n, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.